Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. As I said recently, I'm going to be doing some different vlogs and this is another one of those. This is my nursery tour, so that's a quick sneak peek. So the room's not entirely finished. I don't think it's ever going to be finished, to be perfectly honest. It's going to be a work in progress forever probably, but this is about as close as it's going to be right now. We've got 2 weeks until my due date, my official due date. So we wanted it ready for then so that everything's organised, but she's not going to be sleeping in here for a little while yet. So yeah, I just wanted to give you a quick introduction and let's have a look around. So entering the nursery, you've got this funny sort of shape because the doorway is a bit of a corridor. Come in and there's a quick overview of the whole room. So first thing, yeah, I'll tell you about this first. Light switch is in a really odd place. So we've got Ben works for home automation companies. We've got all these fancy light switches. So this is a Rayco light switch, but it's in a really odd place. You have to reach, like come in the doorway first and reach around that corner to get to the light switch with your left hand, which is, you know, really useful. We've got a wardrobe there then from Mamas and Papas, but we got it from Argos. It is the, oh gosh, what's the range? I'll link below to everything. So anyway, there's the wardrobe. It's a pale grey. Down the side, we're just storing the pram attachment, just for now because we've got nowhere else to put it. Up above, I've got a stag's head. Is it decoupage it's called? My sister made this for me, so that's fun. And the wardrobe. We've got some little clothes. So I won't go through all of these now, but we've got newborn leggings, a little dress because I just couldn't help it. Newborn cardigan, then we're moving here into 0 to 3 month clothes, 3 to 6 months, and then like 6 to 9, and that's some little sleeping bags as well, just hanging in there. So these are, we've just got a few of these as gifts from people. So like we've got, I bought these from Next. This one's from Georgia Asda, a little jumper. George again, I found George has been really good actually. Next, I'm obsessed with Next. Oh, and a swimming costume. Sorry, so cute. These were from Ben's sister from M&S. M&S again, these are little knitted cardigans. That's made by Ben's grandma. That one is made by my grandma. We've also got another one in the hostel bag. And then that was a little present from Charlie and Frankie, which is fleecy inside and so cute. So in the bottom of the wardrobe at the moment, we've just got our baby box stored. A couple more cardigans. Some little Minnetonka shoes, some extra storage. Yeah, so that's already when we need some more. Heading this way, we've got a nappy bin, yay! So we're going to be using reusable nappies, or trying to anyway. But to start with, we're going to want, for the newborn stage, we're going to be using disposables just because I've heard it's so much easier. So we've got the nappy bin. We have got a play gym, which we've only just put together, which is, I don't know, cute. It's called, what they call it, a baby gym, but it's not really a gym. It's a little, I don't know what you call it, a mobile thing. Anyway, it's fun and cute and wooden. Up here, oh, my reflection, is a print of Lake Placid. This is where we went on our honeymoon. My sister got me this for Christmas, so that just had to go in here. We've got lots of books. So these were from my baby shower. I asked for books rather than presents because I didn't want people to feel overwhelmed at buying, like, having to find something that would be like perfect for us or like a really big gift. So I just said, just buy me your favourite book from when you were a child, write a note in it if you want to. And now we've got all these amazing books, like, well, the Wonky Donk was for Christmas, Marie Curie, the Pinocchio one is an old one of mine, Enchanted Wood, we've got Dr. Seuss, we've got Paddington, we've got Winnie the Witch, we've got all sorts of things. Sophie Snell was Ben's favourite one that he got for her. And then we've got Benjamin Bunny, we've got Beatrix Potter, we've got Elma, everything. I'm really excited to start reading books with her, can you tell? Down in the corner, we've got a beanbag that I made. That's just kind of shoved in there for now because she's not going to be using it for a while, but that's a little reading corner. On the wall, we've got stars. This shop that these came from is actually closed now, unfortunately. But these are coasters and they've just been stuck on the wall. Then we've also got the cloud lamp. So we did put batteries in, let me check. There you go. So that was from Next, our little cloud LED lamp. Switch that off again. so that can work as a night light. And then I've got my prints. These are from Desenio. These were sent to me. You can have a look on my blog for a proper review of these. They're just really cute. I'll put the link below for that. Over in the corner, we've got some mountain shelves. These came from Etsy. Again, I can't remember the name of the seller, so I'll link the seller. And then we've got these little wooden animals that are so cute, like little woodland mountain animals. There's a whole set of these. They're little stacking ones. They came from Amazon. I think it was £20 for a whole set. And we've got the grow egg, which isn't plugged in at the moment. Then we have our Hector lamp, which is my favourite thing from IKEA. Some little mirrors that have been on the wall since this was my sewing room, and honestly, I can't remember where they're from right now, but it'll be in a blog post again, which I'll link to. We've got this sign from our wedding, which, oh, come on lighting. Love you to infinity and beyond. So I designed this on a website called Signomatic, and it hung behind our top table at the wedding, and I just kind of threw it in to add it here because, I don't know, it's cute, and we had nowhere else to put it. Curtains are from when this was my sewing room again. They're from IKEA. We've got the little glider, well not little, it's quite big, glider chair in the corner. So I got this off Gumtree for only £50. It's a Mothercare one. And they're still on Mothercare, these chairs, for I think it was £170. So the people that we got it from had barely used it and gave it to us for £50, so it's amazing. So that comes with a little footstool as well. Got Mickey from our trip to Florida because when we went on our honeymoon, we wanted to make sure we bought her something while we were there, but we didn't know whether she was a girl or boy at the time. Not that it matters anyway, but we didn't know what kind of clothes to get her, and everything seemed to be like very themed to boy or girl. So everybody loves Mickey, so we got a Mickey. Got a little nursing pillow from IKEA. Then on the windowsill, we've got our Alexa, because she's going to control the lighting, the heating, all those things. Also on the windowsill, we've got these little framed prints from our wedding that were our table names. So these were all Disney rides. So we've got Carousel of Progress, Jungle Cruise, Paddington. This was from Ben's mum at the baby shower. He came along with the Paddington book, and look how cute he is. He's got proper little wellies and everything. And Big Thunder Mountain. So that's the windowsill area. It's got a little storage toy box down there, which has just got the stacking animals in, the rest of them in at the moment. At the moment, there's an ironing board and some extra shelves there, so ignore those. A lamp from Dunelm, which is just old and cute. So now we've got the IKEA Kallax shelves in the corner. So the top level, I've got a couple of, these are what I'm calling my breastfeeding, what do I call them? Breastfeeding like storage caddy type thing. So it's got breast pads, cotton wool, some muslins. Obviously I'm going to put snacks in them. Both of them got these in. So these are going to be stationed around the house where I plan to breastfeed. We'll see how that goes. So they're just ready, and they're hidden behind a couple of Disney related things, a little tin box that I've had for years, and a little Bambi sparkly, there you go, snow globe type thing. We've got some storage boxes from IKEA. At the moment these are just being used to store additional bits because we need those. So that's the sticks on the walls, some NHS stuff, yeah, bits and pieces that I've just put in there for now. We've got a couple of bottles. Even though I plan to breastfeed, I wanted to be prepared with these just in case. Couple more bits of breastfeeding things. That's reusable breast pads and other breast pads. A cute little camera because she needs a camera, wooden camera. So in this one we've got the extra cotton wool, we've got breast pumps, exciting times. I've got a couple of different ones in here just because we don't know yet the what I'm going to be using, what I'm going to feel like. So we've got those ready. This shelf is just at the moment got a little dinosaur on it. This is my little light up dinosaur, but he's just sitting there for the time being. In here I've got a what do you call it, a little carrier, a wearable carrier, so that's just ready for her. Got another box which has got instructions for things in, just to keep them safe for the time being, and some additional books just because they wouldn't fit on the shelves. So a lot of this is kind of empty at the moment, but we're going to add to that very quickly, I would imagine. And the final area is the changing area. So we've got a Peter Pan print. This was from Etsy. Again, I'll link to the seller below. I've got another print to go up there, but I've left it at my mum and dad's house, so that's coming. That was from one of my friends at the baby shower. Then I've got some little decals that I stuck on the wall here, which are just, again, they go with the whole woodland mountain theme. I was originally going to have them over here, but I couldn't figure out how to get them properly like organised over there, so they're over above the changing table for now. And they're just really cute and went on really easily. We've got the changing mat from John Lewis, which again is woodland creatures. You can see a bit of a theme going on here, but also a bit different theme is our Minnie Mouse storage for cotton wool, and a little blanket. Just, I don't know, we'll lay that on here. I don't know what you use blankets for yet. So then in the drawers themselves, so at the moment, top drawer is, these are all, I haven't bought any nappies so far. These are all being gifted to me by friends who've got babies, or they're free samples that I've got. These came from the baby shower. I've got some baby wipes. I have bought a few of these. These are different kinds. I've got, I don't know, all different kinds of baby wipes. And then these are some reusable nappies. I've been sent a few of these. I think I was sent 2 by the brand, which is Bambino Mio. And I picked up a few more from Aldi, because amazingly Aldi did these. So I'm going to do a full review on those at some point, but not yet because I've got no idea how they work so far. And nappy cream from Asda. There's a couple of other bits of like, I don't know how you say it, Bepanthen, that one in there. Other wipes, nappy bags, things like that. So that's the changing drawer for now. Then this drawer has got newborn stuff. So we've got newborn sleep suits, if it'll focus. Anyway, it wouldn't focus, so we've got newborn sleep suits. They look like there aren't very many in here because I think I've overpacked the hospital bag. I've put like 5 into there because I wanted to make sure. You never know how long you're going to be in hospital. We live half an hour from the hospital, so, you know, I put some in there. This is newborn vests, so these are all just plain white vests. Some with sleeves, some without, some short sleeves, some long sleeves, and a couple that are a bit more patterned and things, but mostly these are all plain white ones. This is muslins, and these are the bigger ones, but again I've only got 1 in there because I put like 10 into the nappy bag and a couple into the breastfeeding things up there. So it looks like I haven't got many, but I have. Then there's some smaller muslins there as well, and this is swaddled, so they're all ready to go. So that's my newborn drawer. And then the next drawer is the slightly older stuff. So I've got randomly a couple of breast milk storage bags in there. I've got some more vests here in a bigger size, and can you tell the theme of that? Some little Harry Potter onesies and some sleep suits. Again, these are 0 to 3 months and 3 to 6 months, so they're prepared, but we won't need them yet, hopefully. See how big she is. And then the final area, we've got, oh, I haven't actually looked at the cot. Okay, so yeah, the final area is the cot. Oh, I had to get up off the floor then. Oh, it was hard work. I've got, none of this stuff is going to be in the cot when she's in here, which won't be for a few months anyway. I'll have the sheets and maybe a blanket and that's it. But just for now, for storage, we've got a little cloud cushion. We've got this little fox that my sister gave me for my baby shower with a little ribbon around the edge, and fits the woodland theme again. We got the little bunny rabbit when we went to the private scan that we had. When they found out she was a girl, we got this little pack of pink things. So we got a little pink bunny rabbit. This teddy bear was sewn by Ben's great aunt who passed away a few years ago, but she'd lived to like, I think she was 98 or something. She gave me this when I was at uni, I think, and we've just kept hold of it since then. I thought it would be perfect for a little baby. We've got a couple of sleeping bags, which I'm not sure she'll use, but we've got them anyway. Got a Minnie Mouse cushion because we didn't have anywhere else to put it, and, you know, Disney. Then we've got blankets. So this was one that's made by my grandma. Another one made by my grandma here. So this one matches her stuff that we're taking into hospital for her. A Winnie the Pooh one from Primark, I believe. And then underneath the bed, we've got a final storage area, which again, it's mostly empty at the moment because I know we're going to acquire everything when we said, oh, you're not supposed to be in here. I left the door open. Don't touch anything. Don't touch. Oh, quickly, this rug is IKEA. So we've got extra bedding, extra bed sheets. We've got towels, baby towels, hooded towels, some sponges and mitts. Again, free sample, I think I got from somewhere. Flannels, Neil's Yard, baby oils, baby bath things. They were from my mum for my birthday. We've got one random bib because I don't anticipate using bibs yet. I'm just going to use muslins probably. This is one of those wraps. Ready to go if I want to use it. We've got some more sheets and we've got some socks because again, socks and mittens I don't really plan on using. People tell me you just, oh, and randomly toothpaste, free samples. But with the socks and the mittens, people have told me they just pull them off anyway, so there's no point in having loads of them. Let me just flip you around. People say there's no point in having loads of them, so I've got them ready to go just in case, but they're underneath there in the extra storage. So that's the nursery. Let me spin around so you can have a quick look at everything. You probably don't want my face in it, but anyway, there you go. Yeah, so it's not entirely finished. We've still got plenty of stuff to add in terms of like clothes and things are going to get swapped around, but there you go. That's the stage it's at now. Yeah, we'll see how it progresses. Let me know if you've enjoyed this video. It would be great if you would subscribe and give it a thumbs up and like it or comment or, you know, whatever you do. So everything will be linked below and yeah, see you next time. Bye.